Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download driver laptop HP NV15AS00. So use to any browsers to type Google search box as it is like that and go to this URL support.hp.com. This is officially website. Just right click to new tab. Okay, after this you can change the operating system like 7, 10, and if you are using Windows 11, so guys you install Windows 10, select Windows 10 it, and Windows 10's driver you can install in Windows 11. This is very simple. First of all, audio. So I give you best path to download. Okay, select this, then chipset. Okay, first one, Intel Management Engine, then graphic card, Intel High. Select this, minimize keyboard mouse like touchpad and touchpad. Okay, so try to this one. Okay, this is firmware and all. Go to up and click to download it. Download, it will show automatically here downloaded. Okay, and all the driver installations process same, just single click to which is downloaded file to click to yes, and then click to next, and I accept, next, next. Okay, this is installed in the background. Okay, and you install all required driver. After that you restart your system.